How to fix GTA 5 activation code, already in use error. Welcome back to Teknobalta. Today, our technical team is diving deep into one of the most frustrating roadblocks players encounter in Grand Theft Auto V. You try to launch the game or enter GTA Online, only to be met with the dreaded activation code, already in use error. This issue often strikes returning players who have recently reinstalled the game and find their legitimate CD key is suddenly being rejected. During our investigation, we discovered that this is rarely an issue of actual code theft. Instead, it is usually a desynchronization between the Rockstar game's launcher, Steam, and your local profile data. Teknobalta's analysis revealed multiple network and local cache faults that trigger this false flag. We tested every possible fix in our labs to bring you the definitive troubleshooting guide. Let us dive into the comprehensive solutions to get you back into Los Santos. Our testing showed that this error sometimes resolves itself if it is caused by Rockstar server delays during login. Wait for a few minutes, restart your client completely, and attempt to launch GTA Online again. If the backend servers are currently overloaded, your activation token might just be stuck in a verification loop waiting to clear. We confirmed that corrupted local profile data is a primary culprit for persistent activation loop errors. Open the Rockstar Games launcher, navigate to Settings, and select the Account Information tab. Click on Delete Local Profile and confirm the prompt to force the launcher to fetch fresh authentication data from the servers. Teknobalta's diagnostics indicate that missing executable links between Steam and Rockstar can cause instant code rejection. Open your Steam library, right-click Grand Theft Auto V, and open the Properties menu. Navigate to the Installed Files tab and click Verify Integrity of Game Files to repair any broken authentication bridges. Residual cache files deeply embedded in your system often hold onto expired session tokens. Press the Windows key plus R, type app data, and hit Enter to open your hidden system folders. Navigate to the local folder, locate the Rockstar Games directory, and permanently delete it to wipe the temporary cache. Our team found that older configuration files from previous installs can conflict with your new setup. Navigate to your Primary Documents folder and find the Rockstar Games directory. Delete the entire Social Club folder inside it to reset all stored login credentials and force a clean cloud sync. Sometimes the digital handshake between Steam, Epic Games, and the Rockstar platform fails silently. Log into your Rockstar Social Club account through a web browser and go to the linked account settings page. Unlink your platform account, restart your browser, and link them back together to refresh the API connection. Strict Windows privilege restrictions can block the launcher from securely reading your hardware ID. Right-click the Rockstar Games launcher shortcut on your desktop and select the Properties option. Under the Compatibility tab, check the box that says Run this program as an administrator and apply the changes for elevated access. During our investigation, we realized many players accidentally log into a newly created secondary social club account. Your original activation code is permanently bound to the exact email address you used during your very first game installation. Double-check your active email accounts and ensure you are not logging in with an alternative address that lacks the license. Network route corruption can send your secure activation check to an unresponsive or incorrect server node. Open the command prompt as an administrator by searching for it in the Windows Start menu. Type ipconfig/flushdons and press Enter to clear your network routing tables and establish a fresh connection path. Deep network configuration errors in Windows can block the secure SSL handshake required for CD key verification. While still in the elevated command prompt, type netch winsock reset and press Enter to execute the command. You must restart your computer immediately after this step for the network catalog changes to take effect. Our testing showed that active VPNs often trigger Rockstar's security protocols, falsely flagging your code as suspicious. Disable any background VPN applications, tunneling software, or proxy extensions before launching the game. The Rockstar authentication servers require a direct, unfiltered IP connection to validate your key securely. ISP-level DNS filtering might be blocking the specific domain responsible for Rockstar key validation. Open your network and internet settings, go to Change Adapter Options, and open the properties of your active internet connection. Select Internet Protocol version 4, open its properties, and set your DNS to Google's public servers using 8.4.4. The SSL certificates used by Rockstar servers strictly require your local system time to be perfectly accurate. Right-click the clock on your Windows taskbar, select Adjust Date and Time, and click the Sync Now button. If your motherboard clock is even slightly out of sync, the server will instantly reject your activation request. If core launcher executable files are damaged, no amount of troubleshooting will bypass the activation block. Uninstall the Rockstar Games launcher from your Windows control panel, taking careful steps to ensure you do not uninstall the actual game data. Download the latest launcher installer directly from the official Rockstar website and perform a clean installation. If all local and network fixes fail, the activation code might be genuinely locked on the Rockstar backend. Take a clear screenshot of your digital receipt and a screenshot of the CD key in your platform library. Submit a manual ticket to Rockstar support providing these images, and their specialized team will manually unlock the key for your specific account. Don't forget to follow Teknobalta for more.